Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Apple Music signed in, Google Home powered, and phone Bluetooth enabled. Open the Google Home app and tap the speaker device. Once done, tap the gear icon, scroll to device settings, and choose paired Bluetooth devices. Now put the speaker in pairing mode by selecting Enable Pairing. This makes the speaker discoverable. Keep your phone unlocked. You'll select the speaker from Bluetooth settings. These first actions let you connect Apple Music audio. To now switch to your phone's Bluetooth list and tap the Google speaker name. You'll see a pairing request. Accept it. Once paired, the device status changes to connected. This confirms audio routing. Open Apple Music, pick a song, album, or playlist, and press play. You'll hear audio come from the Google Home speaker via Bluetooth. If you want voice control for playback, use your phone's voice assistant, because Google Assistant won't control Apple Music over a Bluetooth link. To finish, simply stop playback or disconnect Bluetooth from your phone. Once disconnected, the speaker returns to normal. If audio stutters, make sure devices are within a few feet and reduce nearby Wi-Fi traffic. Interference often causes lag. If pairing does not complete, reboot the phone and the Google speaker, then repeat the pairing steps. This clears transient Bluetooth cache. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, remove old Bluetooth pairings on both devices before retrying. That resolves most persistent connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.